How to make money with Amazon Associates. Want to earn money online by recommending products? Here's how to make money with Amazon Associates. First, sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Once approved, you'll get access to millions of products you can promote. Next, choose products in a niche you understand, like tech, home, fitness, or beauty. Focus on items people already search for and buy often. Amazon gives you special affiliate links. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a small commission. Now focus on content. You can create YouTube videos, TikToks, blogs, or product review posts. Simple, best of lists and honest reviews work really well. The key is trust. Only recommend products you would actually use and explain why they're useful. Over time, small commissions add up as more people buy through your links. Start with a few products, stay consistent, and build from there. Amazon Associates is one of the easiest ways to get started with affiliate marketing.